Hey everybody, it's Liz, and today I am sharing a product with you that was sent to me by KRYDRUFI All-in-One Modular Art Box. So this I think will come very much in handy when I get back to painting outdoors with plein air painting. And I was just so excited when they talked about sending this to me. It comes in a nice package. On the box it shows you all the different views of it, a breakdown right here of what it looks like when it's separated. So I'm about to just go ahead and unpackage this so y'all can see it. So let's open this up. All right, one of the first things I noticed is that it's very well packed. You take this out. Okay, and then already we see everything, so it looks like it's already like put together. So it already comes assembled. I was definitely thinking I would have to snap stuff together. But again, let me read through what it has. And then I think the best way to do it is to read and then show you what it is. So it says water bucket. So these two at the top are the water buckets. So they come out. Okay, so 2 water buckets. Also they have handles. Okay. Insert. So inside you have this silicone brush cleaning insert at the bottom of each side of the water buckets. Then it has inner brush holder, so this setup keeps the brush wet. Okay, so this right here, and then you can put your brush in here to keep the brush wet. I got these grip brushes, so they are not standard, but basically there we go, like that. And then you put it inside, and that way you can keep the brush wet. Okay, the next thing says outer brush holder. So for air drying your brush, that would be this insert. You know what though? Let's flip this around. So this is technically inside. I'm gonna put this outside. So then that way when your brushes are dripping, they don't, you know, drip all over wherever surface. So you could just do this on the outside. Let me turn it so y'all can see that. Let me zoom in like they do. Okay. So that way it doesn't drip on the table, but either one fits inside and outside. Okay, down here we've got these different trays, so I'm gonna snap from the bottom. Okay, unsnap. I mean, you could do one at a time, but I'm just unsnapping all of them. Okay, so I'm gonna open up each of these. Alright, so they can function as airtight wet palettes. So you can put your paints in here, and it looks like it's set up so that like you can have different sections in there. Okay, you could even use this too as a palette. And then, so the green tops have like sections in it, and then the beige tops are just empty, so that way you can put your wet palette in there. Inside of here, it has a user manual, so it shows you how to keep your paints fresh, how to clean your art box, how to use the brush holders, tips for painting, taking care of your brushes. So this basically goes with everything. It shows you the best way to keep things good. So the all-in-one set comes with 2 that has sections and then 2 that are empty. And again, all of these parts are available on their website too, so you can buy these separately if you want to. Disposable palette paper. So it comes with this disposable palette paper. So it says 4-in-1 disposable palette papers. You get 10 sheets, which is a lot, because a lot of times you buy palettes, they do not give you paper. Also have highly moisturizing sponge. So the sponge actually goes under the palette paper. So I haven't opened this yet either. Highly moisturizing sponge. Opening it now. Oh, this is nice. Ooh. This feels nice. Okay, I like it. I want to fidget with it. Okay. Oh, and it already feels kind of like wet, like cold or something. That's cool. Okay. So with this, if I look at our handy dandy manual, basically can take this sponge, and I know with other palettes, what I usually do is I will wet this, put this inside of here, and that will be wet. And then you take your palette paper, says it should be blank side up, so I put that inside, so you have your wet sponge, put this in here, your one sheet, and then you can put your paints on there. And then, you know, before you close it up, spray it a little bit with a little mist of water, and then you can close it up and it keeps it tight. Yeah, this definitely seems very high quality. They give you a lot of stuff with it. And again, I'm planning to use this for when I go outdoor painting, but really I can use this at home too, because it will help me to keep everything contained and organized better. This is our miniature special mixing paper. So for those who use miniature paints, which are a lot more fluid, this is made for you. So this is much thinner than the other ones, and this is really very smooth, like they said. So it's very smooth, a lot more thin. So this is made for the very lightweight paints. So with this set, you get a lot of stuff. You get palette papers, miniature special miniature mixing paper. You get 2 sponges. Okay, so put this on here, and then you snap it like that. And then you snap it up, and then it locks. So it's nice because you can keep everything separate if you want to, or you can put it together. And like, that's real sturdy. That is not falling apart. That top is coming off because I didn't lock that part yet. Okay, sturdy. And then the last one, so we have this. Okay, we'll stack that together. And then these are the only things that are removable now once everything is snapped together. You can wiggle it. So this is nice because I feel like if you were to accidentally drop it. Okay, let me try. I got this little platform right here. So it's still together. So it's nice because if you clumsy like me and probably accidentally drop it while you out and about, it shouldn't come apart. The only things that will move are these other inserts, because these are made to be easy to take out, so you can dump water, get more water. So put this in here, and there you go. So this is the KRYDRUFI All-in-One Modular Art Box. I highly recommend it. I am so thankful that they sent me this to check out. I'm gonna definitely make more videos with me using this once I start to go out and do some plein air painting and just everyday painting too. So I'll be sure to show this later too, and give an update about how I'm liking it. So check it out. Check the link in my description and let me know what questions you have, and if you do get it, let me know what you think. All right, take care.